So those two joins that I showed you basically are the most useful and the most commonly used joins. Now there are a set of other joins, and we're going to take a look at those. The next most common join is the full outer join. That's when you join both sets of data together. Also, this is pretty useful. But outside of these core joins, the other joins are things that I use very, very rarely. But when you need them, you really need them. So the other joins are things that I know they exist. If I'm going to use one, I know that I'm going to have to look up how to go about doing it. I do some Google searches, I pull it out, and I go, okay, this is using the same data that we used before. You already have it loaded. So let's try this one. This is the full outer join. Now, a full outer join means that you're going to get all the data from both tables with nulls. And since it is with nulls in it, for everything that doesn't match up, okay, you have the option of doing some sort of post-filtering, or you're trying to generate data. Another alternative to a full outer join is using a thing called a union between two selects, which works a little bit differently. But a full outer join gives me the things that are department name null, but it also gives me things if I had a department that doesn't have anybody in it. So this would be the full outer join. And I've drawn a little graphic for a Venn diagram that shows both. And the ones that are unique to both tables. This is a full outer join, but where something is null or something else in the other table is null. So that you can eliminate the ones that fall in this white area in here. There is another join that I don't even never used. I don't know what it is good for, and I have never seen it used. I didn't include it in here because I don't understand it. This gives me just the department maintenance that has nobody in it, and the two employees that are not in a department. Now, if for some reason I had to connect the two together, this would be the information that I would be looking for. Probably some IDs to build something to connect the two together. But it tells me the empty pieces on the outside.